Chapter 13. Chapter 13 takes information from a couple different sources. Chapter 10 on rotating cuboids, also page 108, where we're taking curves and plotting them in perspective. So chapter 13, we have a box that is falling along an arc, and the box is spinning as it is falling. I used a simple arc to plot the path of this spinning box. The boxes are 20 degrees apart from each other, and each box is rotating counterclockwise 40 degrees. So this curve can be anything that you would like it to be. It doesn't have to be an arc. You can take a French curve and you could plot a line like that. It could be any curve that you desire. So what we're going to do is keep it like the sample in the book, and we're going to make a simple arc, just a piece of a circle. And we're going to plot points along this curve and draw those points in perspective. So that is the first part of this chapter. As you can see, the drawings are getting quite busy. So I thought it might be a good idea to go over some of the information in this chapter. I'm not going to draw all 3 boxes. I'm just going to draw one box. The other boxes are the same procedure. Let's draw the middle box. We'll do this one. So this would be 40 degrees from the ground. So first thing, we're going to draw our diagram. Now you could set up the diagram however you like. I'm going to do a 30-60 degree diagram. So here's our diagram. I made this 60 and this side 30, but it doesn't really matter what angles you make it. I made a random measuring line, and here are my units of measurement. So the radius of the arc can be anything you would like it to be. I'm going to make mine 7 units. Now I'm drawing this at the picture plane, and this is a true arc. Think of it being parallel to the picture plane. This is going to be the line of travel for my box that is rotating. Now the center box would be 40 degrees from horizontal. But it could be anything. We could make it anything. Here's 40. So this is a 40 degree arc to here. I'm taking this line and moving it here. So these are my dimensions. It's about 1.75, and here's the height. So my first step, I'm going to take this distance and transfer it to the perspective line. there is this distance is now here in perspective. Now I'm going to take this vertical line and put it on that dot. I'm going to use this right measuring point as a reference point. And there's the dot in perspective. This is going to be the center of the box. So that's what's happening with all of these illustrations. This one is the tightest one. We're taking this distance A, moving it to here, taking this length B and moving it to here. And we're doing that with all of these. And you get these 3 dots that are a piece of this curve. It's a piece of a larger ellipse. We connect the dots and we have this arc in perspective here, and then this is just, here is the travel. This is the travel of the box. And each of these dots represent the center of each box. We're just going to do this one. So this is the end of part 1.